Hi guys, today we are going to fix a Vivo Y22 model. The customer's phone display is broken, so let's see how we can easily change the display. You will only understand if you watch the entire video, so please watch it completely, look at everything step by step, and then will be clear to you how to change the display on a Vivo Y22 model easily. So the next steps are to open the back door of the Vivo Y22 and remove all the screws. After removing the screws, you will need to remove the battery and broken display. Please be careful while cleaning the middle frame of the phone. Use a pair of tweezers to clean it nicely and precisely as it's a Vivo Y22 phone. So let's start. So our Vivo Y20 is completely clean now. Let's check the new display we brought. It is very important to always check the display fitting it whenever you do that. So the display we have is from the company RD. So now let's fit it and check if the touch and everything clear or not. So we have to wait till the phone fully on. We are still waiting. Sometime it's take 1 minute approximately. So so now our display is fully on. So as we mentioned, this display has a combine stars up on and off when we press anything. So we will need to replace display with another one. Say something complaint. We have a new display now, so let's try putting this one in. The other display had a slight complaint with the touch. The phone is currently turning on, so let's wait for a while. So the phone is currently on now. Let's put it in the new display to check it. As you can see, the touch and everything is working very neat and clean on this display. It's not like that old one. The touch is very smooth, so this display is on. Now we are going to fit the display in the frame. For that, we first need to put black gum on four corners of the display and only little bit. Putting black gum on the four corners is very safe. This way no one can easily understand that you have fitted it. So we have completely finished the Vivo Y22. As you can see, we fitted and read it very well. So thank you to everyone who watched my video. I still have a lot to learn, so please support me. See you in the next video.